Hello guys, myself Manoj Sharma. Welcome to TechnoSage. So in this video, let's talk about the 3D formulas as part of the Excel. 3D formulas typically refers to specific cells across multiple worksheets. This formula is also sometimes called as cubed formula. So when I say it refers to specific cell across multiple worksheets, I mean that let's take an example. On the screen you can see I need to get the summary of the sales from 4 of these cities. In the quarter 1, I have sales for California as 20, Florida as 25 and so on. And I have the data for quarter 2. I need to put the sales summary into this page where it should be doing the sum of the quarter 1 result and the quarter 2 result. All you need to do is, it's just a simple summation only. Type equals, type sum, open the bracket, and now what you need to do is just go to the quarter 1 worksheet, select the first cell for the California and then press shift key. After pressing the shift key, select the second worksheet, that is quarter 2, and on the top you can validate that quarter 1 is selected, quarter 2 is selected and the B2 is selected. Since the sales value I have selected as B2 and this B2 referring to California on both the sheets, that is the quarter 1 and quarter 2. And now just close the bracket. And now on the top you can see sum quarter 1 colon quarter 2, and in both the quarter 1 and the quarter 2 the B2 cell is selected. Hit enter. Now you can see that 30 is the sum of both the values from quarter 1 and quarter 2. Now let's suppose I'm changing the value over here to 15. So the expected result should be 35. And you can see the 35 is changed since the formula is referring to the B2, the sales of California from both the quarter 1 and quarter 2. Now all I need to do is just drag the formula and it will be applicable for all the other cells as well. So in this way we can refer to specific cells across multiple worksheets. Alternatively, instead of using the sum function, I can directly sum the two values from the different sheets. Just put the equals and then all you need to do is just put the sheet name. So the sheet name was quarter 1 QTR1, put a exclamation and then select the cell name. So here the cell name I'll select, if I check over here, I'll select B2 from this cell and let's sum B4 with the B4 of the next cell, B2 with B4. So here I'll select the B2 from quarter 1 sheet. I'll add with QTR2 colon exclamation and I'll sum it with the B4 and hit enter. And let's suppose I'm changing this value as 10. So it now converted to 30. So the formula architecture, if I talk about the formula architecture, so the formula architecture would be the sheet 1 name exclamation and then the cell 1 name plus the sheet 2 name exclamation the cell 2 name, and this would be the formula architecture for 3D formulas. So this is it from the 3D formula side. I hope you understood this video well. If you have any doubts or questions, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.